Hello everyone, this is me Heeral and I welcome you to my channel and a brand new video, and today's video is going to be on how to make spicy paneer roll. It's very interesting as well as easy and delicious. Let's get started. So for this recipe first we need to add refined oil, but first we need to turn on the flame and then add refined oil. To the hot oil, we need to add some cumin seeds, also known as jeera, and saute this for few seconds. Then to this, we need to add ginger garlic paste and we need to saute this for at least 30 seconds. Ginger garlic paste will give this paneer roll filling a very nice taste. Now, when you have sorted your ginger garlic paste, we need to add some finely chopped onions and we need to saute this until it becomes translucent in color. We don't have to saute this till it become golden brown. Here I'm using a medium sized onion. You can use a big size or small size onion as well in this recipe filling. Once this is done, we need to add some shredded cabbage into our filling and we need to saute this as well for a few minutes. Once cabbage is also nicely sauteed and cooked, we need to add some diced tomatoes. Why we are using tomatoes here is because we need the binding for the filling. You can use tomato puree instead. To this, add some salt as per your taste and mix it well. For some more spiciness, I'm going to add some pav bhaji masala. You can add your favorite masalas if you want, but pav bhaji masala would enhance its taste. Add some black pepper as well. Now here I'm adding 1 spoon of tomato ketchup and 1 spoon of Szechuan chutney. You have to give this all a good mix. Now here comes the most important ingredient for the recipe, that is the paneer. I have chopped my paneer into cubes. You can chop it into any shape or size you want. Coat the paneer well into the masala that we have prepared. It's smelling amazing guys and would taste absolutely amazing. Take some chapatis and apply some Szechuan chutney and ketchup on the chapati. If you want, you can take some tortillas as well, but here I'm using chapatis for my recipe. Once you have spread your Szechuan chutney and ketchup, add the filling in the center and we have to make a roll out of it. And here you go, your fabulous, delicious, divine paneer roll is ready to be served. Serve it hot and enjoy. For more such divine recipes, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.